Hello, hi, this is Vijay. I'm from AIML branch from groups 451. I'm here to explain my project LawPal. The scope of my project is to make accessible of the legal information everyone in India very fast and accurate in a simple manner. So when the people like normal people or law students or lawyers, they try to get our legal information from many different things sources like newspaper books, so trying to from people who studied law, then they may be misguided from the people, or there is a slow process of getting the information. So our solution is to get this overcome this problem. Our solution is RAG based AI chatbot, which is using FAISS and the DeepSeek, which makes very fast and accurate answer through the when they ask the query questions. So the outcome of this our project is to better answering and very complex legal queries you can solve very easily. So the impact of this project will be the better literacy rate in legal awareness, and there is a reduction of the misuse of the laws, and the better free available of the legal uh, awareness. With this project, we are building a product that is a public facing chatbot which can answer the complex and ambiguous legal queries. We pull the information from the Constitution of the India as well as the legal books and laws books and real time news. So, the LAPA in this LAPA, the tech stack we are using DeepSeek R1, the 5B model, and FAISS, which is related to from the Facebook, LangChain, RAG, and Streamlit. Streamlit for the interface, user interface that is lightweight, and LangChain is a framework which are using for very using through pre-trained model, and R1 DeepSeek for the creating embeddings, and FAISS for the smart search research paper, which is the basic understanding research paper that mainly focuses on the retrieved based with generative AI for the legal queries. So it is a RAG based one which integrated with the generative AI, and we use vector embeddings for the semantic search instead of just to searching keywords. Semantic search means which we understand the context and the meaning of that particular query, and when we go to that particular context of the area instead of going keywords. And there is a applies of the prompt engineering techniques here for the twisted questions to which can understand very easily. That is the first one. And second one is data sources. The data sources which you are pulling from the websites, government websites, Supreme Courts, legal books. So which is real and accurate. And the unique approach is by using files, which is smart search, which can search very fastly, and we are using the DeepSeek model for embeddings and creating responses in a faster and efficient way. So this is the main basic understanding from the research paper which they provided us. The business being addressed by our product is first, the main challenge in Indian legal system is there is a limited accessibility of legal information. If they want legal information for everything, they have to depend on the lawyers. If they goes to the lawyer, they will ask some fee for that information, and there is a misinformation is spread from the unreliable sources, the sources which may be not correct. They simply misinformation is spreaded, and the complexity and understanding of the legal laws is there in Indian legal system. To solve this about these all problems, we are creating our through our product free, fast, and accurate legal consultation through AI. So it can reduce the workload from the legal profession by automating the primary querying building, and also it builds a trust by providing them accurate and efficient answers through our through our chatbot. The proposed research paper idea is the research gap. So, in present in India, there are several chatbots which gives information about the laws, but they mainly rely on the keywords based, not on semantic things. Semantic things means which understand the meaning of the context, but keyword means there are several keywords which is multiple laws have the same keyword. So this is a problem. So the proposed solution from this problem is we are in our chatbot. We are they are using the RAG with the deep seek embedding for the legal text. So through the DeepSeek model, there is embedded creation is fast and the generation of response is very fast. And the implementation of wise vector for smart and high speed retrieval information and enhance the security through the prompt engineering techniques. So this is the proposed solution. So this solution is improved accuracy is more than 90. The scalability for this solution is for large data, not the small data set, and also the potential for it is potential for the multi languages and jurisdiction specific expansion. This slide, I'm going to explain architecture of our project. So the LawPal architecture. So first data ingestion module. Second one is embedding module. Third vector store files. Fourth one retrieval augmented generation. Fifth one response generation, and sixth one is user interface streamlit. Here see once you see the architecture. So architecture, the user will come here and the user will come here and he will give a query about the legal questions or legal problems which he is facing now. So after inputting given input by the user, it goes to query processing. So it converted into embeddings. It go this process to the backend. This is totally pre-processing pipeline. So the query is processed here. After that, that is cleaned and pre-processed and it's converted into embedding. So that embedding generator, what it will do, it converted into embedding. Later it stored in the vector database. So to after converting into embedding, it's stored in the vector database. After vector database, it again it would send to the context viewer, which is already stored. Already we trained the PDFs that matched to this. So if this here it is matched to context builder, later it generate the answer through the DeepSeek model. So here is FAISS, FAISS, FAISS is used. Here is the DeepSeek is used. Through DeepSeek, we can generate the answer. The FAISS is the smart search, which is very fast in searching the semantic meaning of and context in a context builder. Later, yeah, after generation of the output is produced here. So the generate the answer with the sources. So based on the vector it generate the sources. After that, it goes to again Streamlit user interface. So this is process. So here the key components is first we are inputting through the Streamlit user interface. Later that is converted into first that is pre-processed. After pre-processing, it converted to embedding through deep seek model, and later it is sent to the vector database. In vector database, already the data set is trained, so it through this embedding it match whether it's matched or not. It searches the through the files. telepathy file, it matches the it is matches the it is found or not. If it is found, then it generates the answer through deepseek model. So the output is again came here, and the output is again come here. This output is shown in the user interface using Streamlit. Thank you.